Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And so we're going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel 3a running on Android 12 Beta 4. And I want to let you guys know how the software bonded with this device. And I know I've been making quite a bit of videos with all the Pixel devices that I have running on Android 12 Beta 4, but I'll try to look for to see if there's any types of differences or anything that may be you know, like causing issue with one particular model of the Pixels and that the other ones may not be facing, or maybe all of them are facing. And that is the purpose of these videos. I don't think I made that quite clear in the previous videos, but I thought I would just drop that little bomb on you guys. So anyways, let's take a look at the Pixel 3a. And so again, Android 12 Beta 4 is pretty much at its stable release. Any smaller bugs are going to be ironed out over time. And so that is the yeah. Anyways, so how's it been working on the Pixel 3a? For those people out there who do have the Pixel 3a, let me just let you guys know the same thing, that we hear a lot of when it comes to Google Pixel phones, and that is they get better over time. And this is no exception to that rule. The Pixel 3a is actually performing a lot smoother than what I've seen before on previous versions of Android. So I will give Android 12 that on this device. It's like breathing new life into these phones. Of course, it is plagued by the same issues when it comes to YouTube Studios and also Power Director as well. For anyone that uses Power Director, you may come into an issue where when trying to render a video in Power Director, it'll give you an error that it couldn't decode or anything like that. All you simply have to do is just restart the phone and then try to render your video and it'll start doing it. It is a bit annoying, but once this thing is fully available for us, then we should start to see, like a lot of things is going to be smoothed out by then. Other than that, majority of the apps all work very, very well. Cameras is working really, really good. You can still take good photos with them, and also video as well. The audio is unaffected, so there's not like a a change in the audio if you're listening to music or watching a movie or a video on YouTube. It's still working just fine. All the other apps are pretty much working very well, and all of the Google icons have been updated on this one too as well, so then that way you will see that the dialer app, messages, all those is functioning just fine. Yeah, so I mean, it's all about generally good, not any major bug issues that I've been experiencing at all whatsoever with this device, so I can say that it's actually doing quite well. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. That's what I have for you guys today with this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, smash the like button because it absolutely helps out. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that subscribe button. Also turn on notifications so you don't miss a video upload or a live stream. That is it. Again, I appreciate y'all for being here. Hashtag Team Pixel. And as always, aloha.